Hi guys, welcome back to another video of Tech Helpline. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Tinder profile. So if you'd like to deactivate your account as you have used Tinder profile for a certain while, this is what you need to do. First of all, what you need to do is go ahead and open up your Tinder application. You can see that you are at the home page of Tinder. Go to your profile, that is, click on the human icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. After you reach on your profile section, click on the little gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll all the way down to the end and tap on Delete Account option. You will see two options there. One is Pause my account, whereas another is Delete my account. Click on the second option, Delete my account. It will take you to the next page questioning if you are sure to delete your account or not with the reasons for deleting it. This process is optional, so you can also skip it. On the next page, press on Delete My Account and your Tinder account will be deleted. This is how you can delete your Tinder account easily in few steps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Thank you so much for watching.